Hello everybody! Today you will see episodes about police instant karma, driving fails, and convenient cop. Here is the first video. USA, red light runner in New Hampshire. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. USA, maybe wait your turn and not turn illegally in front of two Georgia state troopers? USA, the truck ran a red traffic light. Have fun explaining this one to the boss. Instant karma in Carterville, Illinois. Prius speeding and passing in school zone and instant karma caught him. And again in front of the police. Tesla speeds past unmarked cop car.
Pull him over. Pull him over. Pull him over.
Was driving on I-71 South just inside Jefferson County. I noticed a car suddenly go from the left to the right lane and then saw the red and blue lights come on. The area was an interstate work zone with lane shifts. Cars were blowing past me and it looks like LMPD got someone. USA, motorcycle cop keeps order on the road. A young man was weaving on the freeway at varying speeds, and check out the blinker usage. I passed him and promptly forgot about him. After about a minute and a half, he caught up and got in front of me again. He was still weaving dangerously and varied from 40 miles per hour to 80 miles per hour. I put my hazard lights on as a warning to other drivers to be cautious. Then I called the CHP. There were a lot of near misses and some very lucky bicyclists. This truck saw there was a problem and nearly drove in the median to pass him. Then this white car decided not to take their chances. I got back behind him with hazards on as an indicator for CHP. CHP arrived within 3 minutes of my call, and dude almost didn't even pull over. I'm not proud of my dorky banter, but I'll include it because it was satisfying. I was staying way back in case anything crazy happened. He pulled over so abruptly that the squad car had to crank its wheels twice to avoid hitting him. Pickup passing a state trooper on the interstate. USA. Challenger on the turnpike didn't notice the cop near me. Overtaking in the oncoming lane in front of a cop. USA. Car driving on the shoulder passing traffic gets pulled over. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road.